this is going to be a different one. It was Monday night after I got done with helping with install a boiler. I was charging a few batteries in the truck and came out, and my battery was dead in my Transit. So come to find out, the battery's under the driver's seat. So we get to take the driver's seat out today and change the battery out. I didn't want to take it to the dealer because this weekend I'm on call and I need my van, my rolling toolbox, and I can't have my van tied up for 2 days just for a battery. So we're going to attempt to change the battery in the Transit. It's a 2018, what is this, Transit? I think it's a 150. It's all they had in stock when they bought the truck, so I got a little Transit 150, a Twinkie van. So I will get some of that on video. So if you guys need to change your battery in your Transit, you'll know how to do it. Because that's what most of the service vehicles are nowadays, are the Transits. I will take you along for that little adventure and we'll see what happens. We have to take that thing out there, right there, one over there, so we will do that. I gotta find my socket, hold on. So it's a T30. T30. Oh, that makes it easier.
You want this door back down?
Yes, please. All this to get a battery. Okay. Let me check and make sure there's nothing in the bag. They're in the bag too. Alright, so I got the bolts out. I'm just going to tip it up. I'm not going to take the whole seat out. The battery sits right there. So we got to get this brace out somehow. My junky back of the seat there.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm trying to get my battery out. I'm gonna have to YouTube it. Gonna have to YouTube it. Oh, there's two there. Probably 10mm.
Who's the genius who designed this thing?
I don't know, someone that works at Cadillac.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh, there's the battery right there. Oh, that's special.
Isn't it supposed to be engineering supposed to make things easier? Yeah.
No, those aren't 10s back there. I gotta take this brace off right here. So let me figure out what they are. Oh, and they would be 5/16. Okay. Brace is out of the way. Oh shit. My shit's falling. I didn't have to take that off, so slide that back in. Oh shit. Oh, look at that. Seems to have side latches on it. Oh yeah, there we go. There's my battery. The battery. How the hell you get them off there? That's probably a 10mm. And it is. I don't have a 10mm socket. There we go. That's disconnected. Throw that off to the side. That is disconnected. Got a little vent hose right there. That's it. The battery's out. Oh, jeez. It's a lead acid. And we're putting a glass mat battery in. Interesting. Brace. Oh, maybe if I put it in the right way, then maybe it would work better. I'm like, why isn't it lining up? Yeah, that's better. Gotta be kidding me right now. Put the vent hose back in. Handles down. falls into a slot back here. There we go. We're back on. Okay, let's get my, where's my cover? Two slots right here, go to here. There we go there. There we go. Brace back on. 5/16. Oops, that didn't work. A little bit. Get the seat back on without crushing anything. There we go, we're lined up. And let me get my socket. Alright, so I got that. Makes it easier than this. Let me do the back ones. We are good. Of course it doesn't light up. Wow. Got it on there so tight it won't want to come off. That's odd. Holy shit.
You got a tape measure, Joe? Candy?
Yeah, right in the back of the truck on my rack. Right to the right.
I see it. What I'm trying to figure out is this van on Billy.
Say what?
If your van is loaded on Billy.
No, they're same size, I think.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Why? Huh?
They gotta get me a new van.
Why?
Because one's a piece of shit.
Well, I think Chuck wants to start buying those the high tops.
What are the high tops?
The mid roof. Where you at?
Where the fuck did you have this clip on? I took it, now I can't clip it back.
Just throw it in the back. I'll get it.
I'm gonna talk to him that he makes the real purchases around.
No, the mid roof, not the super high roof. The mid roof, which comes up at about here, where you could actually stand up a water heater in there.
Yeah.
And that's what I had before when I worked for Great Dane. We're back together. Well, doing that battery wasn't too bad. It's just, you gotta remove 4 screw bolts on your seat. Throw it off to the side because it's got wires and airbag sensors connected to the crap. I don't even know what sensors are down there. But it wasn't too terrible. Threw the seat off to the side. Had enough slack in the wiring there. And popped the cover off, put the new battery in, put everything back together. Not that bad. I thought it was going to be more of a pain in the butt than that. So this is just a quick video about putting a battery in a Transit. And this is a Transit 150. I don't know if they're any different for any other Transits. I don't know if the 250s are different. This one has, I think, a twin turbo engine in it. I don't know. It's like a 6-cylinder or something. And I don't know if the other ones are different. Not sure. But this is for the Transit 150. Just a quick video. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for your support. And right now I'm going to take a gas line apart because they use thread protectors instead of couplings, and you'll see a video on that. See you on the next one.